Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel and to the new season where I changed my banner and my YouTube outro. Today we are visiting Den Bosch in the Netherlands, and just like last season, you can find all the timestamps of the different locations in the description. So enjoy the video! Alright, so that's it for my visit in Den Bosch. I hope you liked the video, and of course, if you did, like the video and subscribe to my channel as more videos are coming. And now I present you my outro. So thank you, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!